Yalong YL-1633C Automatic Production Line Training and Evaluation Equipment, Yuezhang. Yalong YL-1633C Automatic Production Line Training and Evaluation Equipment installs feeding, processing, assembly, conveying, sorting, and other working units on the aluminum alloy rail type training platform, which constitutes a typical automatic production line mechanical platform. System adopts pneumatic drive, inverted drive, and stepper motor position control. The control mode of the system adopts the control task of each PLC by one PLC, and the distributed control mode of each PLC realizes interconnection through Ethernet communication. It is suitable for industrial robot technology, mechanical and electrical integration, automation, and other related measures offered by higher vocational colleges. For high-end intelligent manufacturing enterprises, training industrial robots in the operation, programming, maintenance, and technical management of arc welding, pelletizing, handling, sorting, and cutting of mobile robots, training robotic tooling, fixture production and application, and robot and automated production line, the combined workstation design, installation, commissioning, and operating technical personnel. After graduation, one might be employed in manufacturing industries such as food, medicine, automobiles, and robots, which with high level of automation and intelligence. The design, production, installation, commissioning, and maintenance of workstations that combine robots with automated production line can also be used for sales or after-sales services in the robot manufacturing industry. Send in feedback. Historical record.